Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jonas Masongsong Harina.
Originally from Quezon Province, and I'm 27 years old.
Something about myself, I'm currently a brand presenter. Maybe nag-scroll kayo sa TikTok and you will see me doing live at Bench. My advocacy is stream from my personal experience. Where I'm also trying to start my career. I decided to join pageant, and this will help my advocacy as a social media influencer to encourage everyone. Always push yourself. And don't let everybody affect what purpose in life. And magiging malaki akong ambag sa Mr. Grand Philippines, and I will influence more men like me that before is shy time. I'm also imprisoned by my push yourself the limit, because by that time you will achieve more heights and you will be the best version of yourself.